Hey guys, this is Norley. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm bringing you a deep clean of my living room. It is a bit disorganized, as you can see. However, today's clean will focus more on detailed cleaning. So as you can see, I'm starting today with a new tool that I got at my local Walmart, which is a dusting tool that extends very high, and I was able to clean the fan. So I bought this specifically for my fans because this would be hard to reach, and I mean I could take out a step ladder, but I wanted something that would be easy and quick, and I'm going to be dusting with this for the beginning part of this video. You'll always be my night sky. I do want to apologize for this shot. For some reason my camera failed to focus, but I left this shot here so that you can see that I'm dusting like in very hard to reach areas, and this tool made it so easy. I bought it at Walmart, like I mentioned, for $9 and change, and I highly recommend it. I think it dusted very well, and I can see myself using it all the time. There's so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with. So a little cleaning tip that I have is that you dust first, dry dust first, before you vacuum and before you do any of that, because that way you can release the dust, and if it falls on the floor or it falls in the area, you're gonna vacuum it anyhow. So I am gonna go in later on with my Pledge cleaner, just to kind of make it really clean. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. My name is Nora, and that right there was Bingley. He loves to follow me along. He is our Labradoodle. He's about a year and a half now, and you're gonna see him in every shot. So if you want to see more of Bingley and more of my cleaning, I'm gonna invite you to subscribe and make sure to click on that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. So another funny story about Bingley is that after he saw me put away those blankets, he went to his crate and got his blanket and brought it into the living room. I think he felt like we needed more mess around the living room, so he brought his blanket, and there he is looking cute. Now moving on, guys, I'm going to be trying this Tide powder for the first time. I've heard a lot of great things about it, so I decided to put a little bit of Tide into the rug cleaner, and I'm also using the Equate upholstery cleaner as well. All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. So a couple of weeks ago, I ended up deep cleaning my sofa already. So what I'm doing, I'm just going in with the upholstery tool, just kind of doing spot cleaning in some areas. For some reason, the edges of my sofas always get, a little bit dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and use this upholstery cleaner, and this always does the trick. And then I'm just going to do some spot cleaning in other areas.
could last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So I've had this Shark vacuum for about 4 years now, and for some reason it was constantly getting clogged due to Bingley's hair, and it was leaving behind some hair, if I'm honest. So as you can see, I'm just using this, trying to pick up as much hair as I can. I am going to use a broom right now, but like I said, it's leaving behind some hair. But as I was cleaning, guys, it decided to turn off on me, and it got to the point where I was just so frustrated. And what you didn't see here is when I went to go complain to my husband, I said, I need a new vacuum. And he said, don't worry, we'll get you one. But I didn't think that I was going to get a new one. So stay to the end when you're going to see what vacuum I ended up getting that same day.
Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
If you saw my last cleaning video, then you know that I got ahead of myself and cleaned underneath my sofa. With this broom, it is so slim and fits perfectly under tight spaces.
It's you, oh you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your blue eyes, all my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring. 'Cause I'm nervous. It's you.
Bingley cracks me up, guys. He does the craziest things. Now I'm moving on to my rug. I'm going to be using this rug cleaner on it. It needed the good cleaning, guys. As you can see, I kept taking out hair. I used the vacuumed, I used the broom, and now I'm using this rug cleaner that also picks up hair. It kind of makes it into, puts it into a little ball. And at the end of this video, or when I show you my new vacuum, you're going to see that even then I'm still going to pick up more hair.
I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you.
I know you can't really see the windows, but they were in need of cleaning. I'm using my sprayway cleaner, and they came out really clean, though I do need to go outside and clean the outside. I had cleaned the outside again like maybe a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago or so, but they need to be cleaned again because the inside is clean, but you can still see some spots from the outside.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
So if you play chess, guys, please do not judge me. I don't play chess, so I took out the pieces so I can clean the board here, but I know that I didn't place any of the pieces back, you know, in any order. I was just placing them on there, so forgive me.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
So I noticed that the dry dusting did the trick. When I was going in with my pledge cleaner and my cloth, I noticed that my cloth didn't get that dirty. That means that a lot of the dust had already been picked up by the duster. And so, yes, I'm going to continue doing this step using my duster on, you know, a weekly basis, and then using my pledge like every 2 weeks or so.
You feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. You feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, no. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign.
So after this clip, my husband had invited me to go have dinner, but he said, let's go ahead and stop at Home Depot. And so what he didn't tell me was that he was going to allow me to choose a vacuum cleaner. And I had been wanting to try a starter vacuum cleaner. So I'll let you see right now which vacuum cleaner I ended up getting. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful because I really needed it. And I know that it was an investment. And I'm so happy with it. I'll show you right now which one I chose, but I'm just quickly, this is after I already had come back. It was later on that night. I'm putting back the pillows where they belong, and just making everything look orderly. So here it is, guys. This is my new vacuum cleaner, the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal, and I bought it specifically because of Bingley, and it actually is very impressive. It has a lot of suction, and I didn't think I was gonna pick up much hair. This was like a trial, kind of testing it out, and I was surprised because even though I had already had, like I said, vacuumed with my old vacuum, I used the broom, I used the rug cleaner, I still picked up more hair. And you can't really see it, that's the thing. But this vacuum cleaner has a lot of suction, and I hope it lasts me a good while. I hope I don't have the same problem with it, with the clog. So far, so good. And you'll see right now in the next clip, I'm gonna show you a little, I'm gonna zoom in on the hair that was picked up even after I had done all those things to that rug. So, very happy.
Take a minute to glance down the street where no hope surrounds you.
So in order for me to feel like my house is really clean, I need to smell clean. So I'm using this Febreze heavy duty spray cleaner, and I'm also turning on my Scentsy warmer. I didn't show that, but I did turn on my Scentsy warmer so that the house can smell clean, and it just feels clean, it smells clean, and so I'm a happy camper.
The only one, the only one.
If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I hope this video has been a great motivation for you. I hope this inspires you and it gives you maybe some kind of tip or advice. And just thank you so much for stopping by. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. Also, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I do like a lot of videos on homemaking. I like to throw in a vlog here and there, and I just love having you guys here. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye.